Chana, who is the first female stand-up comedian of Singapore. Second person is Rishi Gudrani. He's also a stand-up comedian, an actor as well, a presenter. He's doing a lot of TV shows. Talking about Shahrukh Chana, she has toured with Veer Das, and she's also making a leap into India, Australia. She's traveled and toured all over the world. Madhav, do you want to say something about this stand-up or Rishi?
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming down and supporting this combination of Singapore and India, and helping us come together in this way culturally. Thank you so much for that. If you have any questions for any of the actors or the festival director or producer, or living in Singapore, any other questions you have about theatre, please, the floor is open and we won't judge you on any questions. We promise.
You can also give us a feedback how good they were, or what they, how they can improve, or how we could improve. We are open to that as well. So, it's anybody wants to ask?
So maybe we could find out. Has anyone been to Singapore recently? Show of hands, maybe. Or at any point? Okay. Does anyone like Singapore? So the people who haven't been also like that. Yeah, these relationships that we have, I think when we come back from India to Singapore, there's a lot of common things we find. Maybe somebody put up their hand, like you, sir. Maybe you can tell me one thing you like about Singapore to keep the ball rolling.
The yellow line everywhere, MRT stations or ATM queues.
Yellow line. Yeah, we don't have that in common with India because nobody follows the line here, unfortunately. Maybe you want to share, what did you feel like? Were you able to relate to these situations that you saw?
Yeah, it was topics which are very common to all of us.
So online shopping has happened to you before?
Oh yes, that has happened to me a lot.
Including the slap?
No.
You mean you have been with her before, somewhere?
I've been with that song before.
Oh, that song. I can see from his face.
Any feedback on what you thought about the plays and being as critical as you thought?
Could you? I mean, a lot of you speak Hindi very well, and that's a common question because often what happens is people club Singapore, Malaysia together. Some people even think out of ignorance, that it's part of China perhaps. It's a republic by itself, and unless you travel there, you don't know that it's an indigenous space, and it's a republic since 50 years now. So how do you think, this festival is important? Why is it so important to the fabric of bringing communities together? Because I believe that Singapore is a very, it's a space where there are Chinese people, there's Malay people, there's also new Indians who've moved there the past couple of years. So could you throw some light on why this is essential?
We're not aware of Hindi.
Hindi, yeah.
The Indian immigrants there are mainly Tamil speaking. So they weren't able to understand the fact that, Hindi is, there can be Hindi theatre as well.
We started planning for Dastak. हिंदी में बोलते हैं यार, हिंदी थिएटर फेस्टिवल है. तो इसकी शुरुआत हुई पिछले साल जनवरी में 2016 में, और कोई भी बॉलीवुड शो अगर सिंगापुर में होता है तो इट्स सोल्ड आउट. सो दैट गॉट अस थिंकिंग कि यार अगर बॉलीवुड का शो इतना सोल्ड आउट होता है, मूवीज आर सोल्ड आउट, इवेंट्स आर सोल्ड आउट, सो थिएटर क्यों नहीं? और हिंदी थिएटर में एक अलग ऑथेंटिसिटी है ना. जब आप हिंदी थिएटर देखते हो और आप इंग्लिश थिएटर देखते हो, कुछ न्यूआंसेस हर लैंग्वेज के होते हैं और वो थिएटर में भी दिखता है. सो हम सबका मन था कि यार एक फेस्टिवल जो कभी नहीं हुआ सिंगापुर में, 10 शॉर्ट प्लेस, ताकि जितने लोग को हम शामिल कर सकें, डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, वॉलंटियर्स, बैक स्टेज. सो वो एक अटेम्प्ट था हिंदी करने का, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड. एंड जैसा शलाका ने पहले बोला कि पहले 5 शोज जो हमने किए सारे ओवरबुक थे, टू अ पॉइंट पीपल लाइक एक्स्ट्रा चेयर्स लगाए, क्या करें. सो वो बहुत बड़ा प्रोत्साहन था हम लोगों के लिए कि हम इसको आगे ले जा सकते.
different people, and that was the most amazing thing. I mean, I don't think we would have connected. We knew each other before Dastak, but now we have become like one community which has come together, and we are inseparable because हमारे the day jobs they're all doing is one is a banker, Rihanna is in the advertising and marketing field, Kuldeep ji is a teacher, plus she is working in a company. So to get all those coming together I think this was the perfect platform of talent.